just kidding. But what I was really making the video about is, you know, the dirty repo. It just hit an all-time high record today. So that's cool. We're at $2,091,395,000,000 with 98 participating counterparties sitting here on June 8th, 2022, and they have, you know, a target of 80 billion per month to get down. So let's say, where did we start the month? Let's just do this real quick. Where did we start the month? We started the month off at 1965. So hold on a second. If they have until the end of this month to get to the target of 1965, we'll just round it to be, you know, keep it simple, minus 80. They need to be at 1885 by the end of the month. So who's to say that the first half of the month they don't cycle it up to, you know, all-time record, all-time high at basically 2091. They could probably even push it fucking further. Let's just say they push it to 2150 by the 15th. Well, then they have another 15 days to get to that initial target of that 80 billion drop, which we just determined a second ago. Not out of the question. 1985 minus 80. I mean, that's what I'm thinking they're going to do. They're going to game this shit, right? They're going to cycle it up, they're going to cycle it down, but within target, and they're going to go back up, and they're going to go down, but within target. As long as it's 80 billion per month, they're meeting their monetary policy goals. So what they do between the 1st and the 30th is of critical importance. So pay attention to the dirty-ass repo. Again, all-time record today, 2091, 395. Holy tits. By the way, China's going to the moon. Who would have thought? But this is just the beginning. They're severely undervalued, so keep that in mind. There's still time, folks. FOMO's not real. Time your entries like you would any other play. And by the way, what the fuck is this bullshit with David Lauer and the Gary Gensler and this whole PFOF narrative? Sorry, but until I see a filing in the, you know, CFR, go fuck yourself, David Lauer. All you do is appease to apes. Annoying motherfucker. Soon as some litigation gets passed on it, I'll believe it. But until then, they can continue the theater show. I will continue moving forward. Treasury, 2091, repo, all-time record. Let's go, Brandon. China's running to the moon.